Here is a wonderful 2020 Audi RS3. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The driver-centered RS3 delivers customizable technology, aggressive performance, and uniquely alluring design. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moonroof, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Why just drive when you can drive the RS3? We'll put you behind the wheel today.